lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some butter chicken. So first thing, we're going to get our chicken. I'm using boneless chicken breast. You can also use boneless chicken thighs, but just make sure your chicken is boneless. You're going to cut this into strips and pieces, just so that it's bite-sized pieces exactly. Now I'm going to transfer this into a bowl and I'm going to go ahead and season it. So first thing I'm going to do is put 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the spices. I'm adding some salt, chili powder. I'm going to go ahead and add some curry powder. I'm adding some bouillon cube, and I'm also going to add cumin, ground cumin, and after cumin I'm adding some ground garam masala powder. And I'm going to mix this all together and cover it and leave it to marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes to however long you feel like, but 30 minutes should do fine, even 15 minutes if that's how long you have. Now I'm going to go ahead and prep the veggies for the sauce. Now I'm going to slice my cherry tomatoes. You can use any type of tomatoes you have, but I decided to use cherry tomatoes. And then I also decided to use red paprika peppers. You can also use red bell peppers, but just make sure that you're using sweet peppers. And then I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to go ahead and start the frying. So to a pan I'm adding some butter, because of course it's butter chicken. And then I'm going to get some onions and add into the pan. You can decide to skip this and fry the onions with the peppers and tomatoes, but I like the flavor of the onions to get into the chicken. Now I'm going to let this fry until the chicken is all fried. It took about 15 minutes for the chicken to be fried. Remember to always fry on low heat, cook on low heat, guys. Very important to keep the flavor. Now I'm going to take out the chicken and leave the onions in the pan, and I'm going to go ahead and add in some more oil, because I only used butter before. So now I'm adding some oil with all the chicken flavor and everything. I'm then going to go ahead and add in some ginger garlic paste, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in the sliced peppers and tomatoes. I'm just going to mix this all together and also add in my chili peppers and season with the same seasoning I used for the chicken, which is some salt, chili powder, bouillon cubes, curry powder, some garam masala powder, and some cumin powder. Now I'm going to cover this, mix it up together, and then cover it to cook for about 15 minutes as well, also on low heat. That's the key to getting all the flavors to incorporate, guys. Low heat, very important. Now after 15 minutes you see that it's all fried. I just crushed the tomatoes a little with my spoon, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend this. You want it to be really creamy. I also decided to add in some cashews, but I didn't film that, sorry guys. You should add cashews to get this really creamy velvety texture. Just a handful would do. And then I added the already fried chicken and covered this to simmer for about 5 minutes, and then I added my yogurt, my extra yogurt I had. So guys, I did something. I added 1 spoon of coconut cream to my yogurt, and I'm telling you, the flavor was amazing. Then after it simmers for a while, you go ahead and season with whatever herb that you have. I use green onions. If you haven't noticed, green onions is like my favorite garnish. And then serve this up with some rice and some naan bread. I didn't have any naan bread, but that's it, guys. I hope you try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.